We finally have the first real look at the upcoming Samsung Galaxy S26 Ultra, and it's absolutely stunning. These new zoom images give us the clearest view of Samsung's next big flagship. And yes, it's bringing a color that's turning everyone's heads. According to Tipster Sample, these are the final design leaks of the Galaxy S26 Ultra, showcasing 3 elegant finishes: silver, gold, and the all-new cosmic orange. And that's where the real shock comes in. Samsung's cosmic orange looks bold, premium, and incredibly refined, a shade that instantly separates it from every other phone on the market. The matte finish gives it a luxury feel, and the tone perfectly complements that clean titanium frame. According to the latest leaks, Samsung is testing software for the Galaxy S26 Edge and S26 Ultra, confirming that both will launch with One UI 8.5 based on Android 15. The Galaxy S26 Ultra model number is SMS948X and has started firmware testing across multiple regions. S948 NKSU0AVJ5, South Korea. S948 USQ0AVJ6, US carrier variant. S948 U1UU0AYYJ5, US unlocked variant. S948 BXIU0AVJ5, global version. What's your thoughts on this? Let me know in the comments section. The Samsung Galaxy S26 Ultra is once again making waves in the tech world. And this time, it's not just about looks. It's about raw power, next-level engineering, and a design that screams premium from every angle. Samsung seems ready to redefine what an Ultra phone can truly be. According to tipster Anthony, the Galaxy S26 Ultra is packing some serious upgrades under the hood. He mentions the best anti-reflective layer, class-leading performance, vapor chamber cooling, and more, all packed inside an 8.2mm titanium frame. That's an impressive combination, especially when you realize that Samsung is managing to keep the body sleek while improving thermal management and durability at the same time. Titanium is already known for being strong and lightweight, but pairing it with advanced cooling and a reflective layer means the phone isn't just tough. It's optimized for performance and comfort during long gaming or productivity sessions. And that's not all. Anthony also revealed what might be one of the biggest visual and usability upgrades: the touch sampling rate. He claims the S26 Ultra will jump from 240 Hz to an incredible 3600 Hz, which is an insane leap forward. For context, a higher touch sampling rate means every tap, swipe, and gesture feels almost instantaneous, perfect for gamers, artists, and anyone who values precision. Going from 240 Hz to 3600 Hz isn't just an upgrade. It's a whole new level of responsiveness that will make the S26 Ultra feel buttery smooth in every interaction. And while we're talking about visuals, another exciting reveal came from Chandan, who shared a look at the Galaxy S26 Ultra in a stunning new cosmic orange color. The matte finish combined with that vibrant orange hue makes it stand out in a world of dull black and silver devices. And honestly, it looks so clean and premium that even he said it certainly looks better than the iPhone 17 Pro Max. If that's the final color Samsung goes with, it might just become one of the most popular shades of the year. The S26 Ultra might just set a new standard for flagship smartphones in 2025. What's your thoughts on this? Let me know in the comments section. We're now going to run through the full specs, design, and expected pricing to help you decide which one is right for you, so hit subscribe now, and let's dive right into it. First up, the standard Galaxy S26. It's coming with a 6.2-inch dynamic A&OLED display with improvements in brightness and color accuracy. We get a 120 Hz display with HDR10+ and a resolution of 1080x2340. The display will be protected by Gorilla Glass Victus 3. For selfies, it has a 12-megapixel punch-hole camera. On the rear, there's a triple camera setup consisting of a wide, ultra-wide, and telephoto, but the exact sensors are still unknown. It'll be powered by the Snapdragon 8 Elite Gen 2 chipset and comes with 12 GB of RAM and up to 512 GB of storage, UFS 4.0. The battery is a 4000 mAh unit with 25 dB fast charging and 15 dB wireless charging. It will also support 5G, Bluetooth 5.4, Wi-Fi 7, and ultra-wideband support. The phone will launch with One UI 8 based on Android 16 and is expected to start at around $800 in January 2026. Next, we have the Samsung Galaxy S26 Plus, which may also be known as the S26 Edge. This one will come with a 6.7-inch dynamic AMOLED display with similar improvements in brightness and color accuracy. You'll get a 120Hz display, HDR10+, and a resolution of 1440x3120, protected by Gorilla Glass Victus 3. There's a 12-megapixel punch-hole camera for selfies. The rear setup includes a dual camera system with a wide and an ultra-wide camera, though the exact sensors are still under wraps. It's also powered by the Snapdragon 8 Elite Gen 2 and will come with 12 GB of RAM and storage options of 256 GB or 512 GB, UFS 4.0. The battery is a 4,900 mAh unit with 45 DU fast charging and 15 DU wireless charging. It will support 5G, Bluetooth 5.4, Wi-Fi 7, and ultra-wideband. This model will launch with One UI 8 based on Android 16 and is expected to be priced from $1,000 in January 2026. Finally, we have the premium model, the Samsung Galaxy S26 Ultra. This one features a 6.9-inch dynamic AMOLED display, again with improvements to brightness and color accuracy, 120Hz refresh rate, and HDR10+, with a resolution of 1440x3120, and it will be protected by Gorilla Glass Armor 3. There have been reports suggesting that this could feature the first ever under-display camera on an S-series phone, likely an 8-megapixel under-display selfie camera. On the rear, it will come with a quad camera setup featuring wide, ultra-wide, telephoto, and periscope lenses, but the exact sensors are still unknown. The phone will be powered by the Snapdragon 8 Elite Gen 2 in all regions and will come with 12 GB of RAM and up to 1 TB of storage, UFS 4.0. It's packing a 6,000 mAh battery with significant improvements to fast charging. As expected, it will also support 5G, Bluetooth 5.4, Wi-Fi 7, and ultra-wideband. The S26 Ultra will launch with One UI 8 based on Android 16 and is expected to start at $1,300 in January 2026. Overall, it's looking like the Samsung Galaxy S26 series is going to be an exciting release, especially if the Ultra becomes the first S-series phone to feature the under-display camera. Samsung seems to be continuing their strategy of improving and refining their phones, rather than completely redesigning them for the sake of it. And just like all new phones, there will be a major emphasis on software, with AI playing a huge role in the user experience. The launch is still a bit far off, but we can expect plenty of information to leak as we approach the release date. Make sure you're subscribed so you don't miss